Moggie's not been started up for a while because of the heath valve leaking issue, and I've been trying to start it and it's a bit low on battery. So I thought I'd try out the Buture jump start kit lithium ion unit from Amazon. So I'm going to give that a go and see how it works. Okay, so instructions for use are: plug this part into the main box, connect it up in the correct way to the battery, start the vehicle, remove the jumper immediately. Okay, so it's connected up and we'll give it a whirl. Right, so if this all starts and works fine, I'm going to put the camera down and go and disconnect it. See how fast it turns over, see if these are any good. I don't know if it's got full charge or not. Well, it definitely turned over faster. Let's give that a minute, try again. I've tried to connect it onto the battery a little bit better. I don't know if it's any different at all really, but let's just try.